The first thing you're going to do is go to our website and click on the link to Google Drive. And you're going to have to log in. And then I want you to create a new document. So once you're in your Drive, it may take a minute to load, you are going to click on New, Google Docs, and then you're going to rename it right away. So once it finishes loading, you're going to click up here where it says Untitled Document. And you can rename it Thankful. Then you're going to click on your virtual paper, and I want you to go up to this icon here to center your title, which is going to be Thankful in Words and Pictures. Make sure you put in capital letters. Hit the return key, and you're going to type by and your name. You can type your first and last name or just your first name. Then I want you to hit return 2 times. And now you are going to go to this icon here to align to the left. And I want you to type 4 sentences of things you are thankful for. And I will write to the format on the whiteboard, but it will look like this. So you're going to have 4 sentences. I wrote, I am thankful for turkey, I am thankful for basketball, I am thankful for rain, but most of all, I am thankful for my friends. So then, before you add pictures, you can change your font if you want. To change your font, you just use your mouse to highlight some of your font, or if you want to highlight everything, press the Apple key on your keyboard and press the letter A, and that will select everything. You can change your font style here. If you click on it, you'll see a list of a whole bunch of fonts. You can also click more to choose. There's a few others. You can change the size. Don't go bigger than 14. And then you can change the color. After you have changed the font, you can hit return once or twice. And now we get to the tricky part. You are going to insert some pictures of the things you're thankful for. So you will go up to the word insert, and you will click on image. And then you are going to click on search. Now these things that you search for should all be labeled for you to be able to reuse them. The copyright allows you to put them on your project. If you come across an image that seems weird or inappropriate, just quickly click on another tab, so you can open another tab. And you can raise your hand and I will come and help you and see if we can change the words that you're searching for. Do not share with your neighbors if it's something that you think is inappropriate for school. We have pretty good filters here, so that shouldn't be the case, but once in a while that happens. You are only searching on the items you're thankful for. So I'm gonna first search for turkey, and then I click on the magnifying glass. There are some turkeys for me to pick from. I like this one. This guy's funny too. I'm gonna click on the picture I want to use and click select, and it pops on my paper. Now most likely it's too big for my paper because I'm going to add multiple images. So I'm going to do a few things, so pay attention. Click on the image. The first thing I want you to do is click on these words, break text. This will allow you to move your picture around a little bit easier. Make sure you do that first. Next, I'm going to resize it. You only use the corners to resize. If you use the sides, it will squish your picture. So you click on it with your mouse and you drag it into the size that you want. You can go up to this circle here and rotate it a bit. Just remember, as you move it around, it might move some of your text around. So that means I'm just going to select my picture again and drag it a little bit out of the way. So if it gets into your words, you don't have to worry and raise your hand. You can try to first move it yourself. You can also, if you move it, you can click this backward facing arrow and that will undo what you did. So now I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and I'm going to, there's your lunch bell, I'm going to add another picture. So I'm going to go back up to insert, image, and I'm going to click on, type in basketball, and I will take, let's see which picture. Take this picture, select. It's probably going to be too big for my screen. So if I click on it and resize it, oh, I made a mistake though. The first thing I want to do is click on it, break text, so that now I can move it where I want. I can even overlap it on my turkey if I want to make it more like a collage. So there's my basketball. I'm going to quickly show you to insert the other images. Click on it, break text, resize. I can move it. And the last thing, friends. I like that picture. It's very big. Let's see, it's much too big, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and move it. But I can't move it because I didn't break text. So I need to click on break text. Now I can move it where I want to. So here is my thankful in words and pictures, and the very last thing you have to do is click on share. You are going to share it with Mrs. Carlson so that she knows what you have been doing today. You can just let her view it if you want and click send, or you can let her comment and click send. And then when you are done, you can have some free choice time because you earned it. If you have any questions, raise your hand and I will come around and help you as quickly as I can.